Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Thank you so much for all the sweet greetings from the last video. I'm super happy to read. So in this video, I will show you how I turned a basic black heels to glamorous Lolita heels. Do those shoes fit in this dress? Maybe not. You may be concerned about not wearing heels while pregnant. I'm not wearing heels while I'm pregnant. I just want to see how those heels look on my feet. So I just put it on and I'm not standing with the heels or walking with the heels. I'm sitting on my dressing table, so don't worry about it. I'm not planning to wearing those shoes for walking. Those are my decoration on my display table. So let's start this video. How I transformed the shoes. You maybe ask me why using hot glue, just because it dries faster and I'll probably not wearing the shoes very often. If you have the patience, I would suggest to use E6000 if you don't have the patience. You just use hot glue, it works fine. Love it a lot. It's a very pretty decoration on my table. I haven't found an outfit to go with these shoes. I was planning to match the shoes with this Lolita dress, but the color not really go together. The gold color on the dress is more like orange, and the color on my shoes is more gold yellow. Maybe those shoes can only be my decorations now. Maybe a gold dress, a black dress with some gold decorations, then these shoes might work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas to transform a basic shoes to a really fancy glamorous shoes. Bye bye, I will see you in next video soon.